For the sections where the wire doesn't reach, we can connect them in 2 segments. Avoid crossing wires whenever possible. Prevent wires from being pulled apart. We can consider tying a knot here. It will make the wires sturdier. Where 2 bundles of wires cannot reach, we need to connect them with separate wires. This is a wire stripping pliers. We used wire strippers to strip this wire. Measure the position in the middle. We also use wire strippers to strip the wires.